Welcome back. This is Chile Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about other financial markets, including businesses and passive income. Well, today it's just going to be a quick review of a few stocks, one being Costco, number two, Tesla, of course, and number three, we'll be talking about the Federal Reserve hiking interest rates possibly on Wednesday. Okay, so one of the best stocks that I think to own in a bear market, we are in a bear market, basically when stocks go down 5-10%. Costco, okay, Costco is a big retail box store, and it's a place where you can go and buy goods and services, and they also charge for a yearly membership, $50 to $100 depending on for family or for individual. Costco, okay, so this big box store, Costco trades anywhere from $500 all the way up to $600 last year. This time this stock was trading at $600, and since then has come down. But the good part about Costco, it is a dividend paying stock, so it's a great stock to own. Basically what you want to do is dollar cost average into the stock. If we look at the last month, the stock's been slightly down 9%. And over the last week, it's been down over 6%. But again, they will report earnings this week. This Wednesday, they will report about the progress, the revenue of the current quarter, previous quarter, and then they will talk about the forecast for the rest of the year. So that'll be the CEO, the CFO, and also business analysts, Wall Street analysts discussing the projections and the current quarter and the previous quarter in terms of sales and revenue and guidance moving forward. So again, Costco, a great stock to own. It is a dividend paying stock. And like I said, they have thousands of stores around the country. And I think I'm up just slightly, about 10%, 0.16%. So I'm still building my position in Costco. Okay, so Costco trades around $500, but you can easily buy a fractional share for $5, $10 at a time. And hopefully this stock will get back to $591 per share. Okay, so that's my Costco. Again, they report on this Wednesday. And the second stock is Tesla. Tesla is a great stock to own. Again, it is the #1 EV car led by Elon Musk. And of recent, they released the Model X, and I believe they're releasing the Model 4 soon. Okay, so this is the new split stock price, trading around $300 per share. Before this split last month, it was trading around $800 or $900 per share. But again, Tesla trading at $303 per share is a great price. Okay. Does have a 52-week high of $414 and 52-week low of $206 on the repricing. Tesla stock bulls and their bullish comments aren't helping shares. Tesla Model Y review, first time driving the king of EVs. Elon admits he is lonely after his split with Grimes. Okay, so that's a personal side for Elon Musk. And Tesla aims to cut wildfire smoke exposure for Nevada Gigafactory workers. Okay, so the company looking to help employees in their current situation, the wildfires in Nevada. Okay, but Tesla, again, they will report earnings in October pretty soon. It will be a new quarter report, but they won't report until probably October or even November. Okay, so they did beat earnings per share back on Q2. So we'll be looking forward to Q3 in either October or November timeframe. Okay, so keep your eye on Tesla. Even though it's been a rough week, Tesla has kind of held up. It's not really up over last week. It is flat. But considering Apple is down over 5% over last week, Tesla is maintaining. Now, if we look at the month, Tesla is up 2%. And even on the 1st of September, you could have got this stock as low as $270. But even in the topsy, turbulent environment that we're currently in, Tesla has begin to gain some momentum. So keep your eye out on Tesla, okay? Now, the news of the week is CPI data came out, and it was not good, okay? We had CPI data or inflation data come out that year over year inflation has gone up, okay? So this week, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell will probably look to raise interest rates by 75 basis points. And what that does is slow people down from buying stuff. Also, this will cause some businesses to slow down. And also, when we say slow down, we mean they will continue to lay off people, okay? So if revenue slows for a company, it will cause the economy to slow and people will lose their jobs, okay? Till we get inflation below 9%, Jerome Powell is determined. Him and the Federal Reserve will meet to set interest rates on September 20th and the 21st. So basically, we're talking about Tuesday, Wednesday. They will start announcing their decision. 75 basis points expected to interest rate futures. However, the risk have shifted slightly prior to the disappointing CPI data for the month of August. We received that on last week. That basically we thought inflation was going to go down. So we thought we had a chance of a 50 basis points. Now we're looking at a 75 basis point expectation. So that's going to cause mortgages to go up, car loans to go up, etc., credit card debt to go up. And again, we'll get that information officially at 2 p.m. on Wednesday from Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve team. So that is the news there. 75 basis points expected to hit the current U.S. economy. All right, that'll be announced on Wednesday. It could be 50 basis points. I would be surprised. But basically 75 is what we think we're going to get. And that will cause people to trim evaluations of the market, okay, of the stocks, okay? If we look at the last week, stocks have been down in this portfolio a little over 4%. So again, if we would have hoped that we'd have gained 5% this week, but we lost another 5% this week as the news came out that inflation continues to run rampant. Number one is food costs. Food costs are up high. Also, rents. Okay, so rents are high. So people that can't afford their own home, even the rent is out of reach. Okay, at $2,000 a month, most people cannot afford a mortgage or afford a rent at $2,000 a month. Also, home prices are coming down as well. Okay, so those are the current market. So also, when home prices come down, people's wealth equity changes because most people use their equity in their home to do different tasks and different things. So as the home prices come down, most Americans start to slow down their spending, okay? But it is not hit effective enough because apparently rent and food is still up. So that is the news this week. Federal Chairman Powell to raise 75 basis points. And also, if you just want to follow a couple other companies, Federal Express, the #1 package delivery company, will come out this week with news on basic things such as how many packages and goods and services are moving around the world. If Federal Express is saying they're slowing down forecasts, then we may be getting ready for a recession, okay? I don't really like to use the word recession, but it is a possibility if FedEx is saying they're seeing orders slow down. Also, General Mills is a food product, cereals and other related foods is slowing down as well. So keep your eye out on these stocks. This week, FedEx will report on 9/22 on Wednesday, and General Mills will report their revenue for the previous quarter and the forecast moving forward on Tuesday, 9/21. Okay, so that's the news. Again, the stocks to watch is Costco, Tesla, Federal Express, and General Mills. Okay, so that's the news. Also, Fed Express, Jerome Powell to speak on Wednesday. 75 basis points looks like that's what we're going to get, and will cause some stocks to fall another 5 to 10%. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, If you'd like to get started in your investment journey, please use my Robinhood link below. And everybody have a great week.